Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the next session of fashion studies. In previous session, I have taught you about basic terminology about fashion. Students, I want to clear one thing here. In 11th standard, 4 chapters are there. First is overview of fashion, generally what is a fashion, different basic terminology about fashion, trends, and fashion designer, design, classic fashion, impact of fashion. And in second chapter, fabric study, what is a fabric, clothes, garment, how they are formed, natural, man-made, spinning, weaving, painting, etc. In third chapter is the design fundamental, how designers use basic components of design and creates a new design. So different base through this basic component. In third chapter we will do designing, and fourth chapter is the garment making and construction. So basic stitches, hand stitches and machine stitches are there. So and machine terminology is there. Is it okay? And some sketches are there. So first is we will begin. Next topic is overview of fashion is term design. Is it clear? So students, before going to the topic designs, first we have to understand about differentiate between art, design and craft. In previous classes you have learnt about art and various art activities. So art is the process of product of arrangement or arranging elements in such a way that create or appeal to the sense or emotion. Is it clear? Means art is the expression, application of human imaginations. Different arts work we have done in our previous classes. So question is कि what is element? So elements are known components, means that elements are things. For example, line, shapes, colors. So by using these things we create art in different forms, different objects. Like we use the line using, through this we create the hut, landscape, etc. things. But in fashion we will use these lines. These are the elements of things. So by use this element of things we will create fashion figures and fashion drawing. Is it clear? So art is the activity of skill of producing things such as painting, design, etc. The arrangement of elements in such a way that appeal to the sense or emotion. Is it clear? Is the most used to describe creative arts or fine arts like painting, sculpture. So different types of art, photographic art. So these are express the artist's creativity and communicate an ideology to engage or connect with aesthetic sensibilities and emotions of the audience. So visual art like books art, collage, design, illustration and digital drawing. So these things, this art we will use in the fashion design making for the fashion figures, fashion designs and fashion dresses, etc. And what is a craft? The new Webster International Encyclopedia define craft interchangeably with handicraft as name, according to the name given process of making objects by hand. Is it clear? Handicrafts, traditional handicrafts includes basket weaving, carpentry, ceramic, embroidery, knitting, sewing, leather work. That is a done by these things done by the hand, known as the craft. Is it clear? Okay. So students, let's begin the topic design. What is a design? A design system is a collection of elements that can be combined and reused to build products, or design as a purposeful arrangement of elements in such a way to create a new version of style or in a creative work or process. Is it clear? So I have told you earlier, elements means known component. Known components means aware things. For example, line, shape, color, texture. I will show you in next slides ki what is the elements or known components. So by using these things, we create different design. So how we will use the design, we will discuss in third chapter. Here we have to understand about what is a design. That means a purposeful arrangement of elements in the creative work or process. Is it clear? In simple word, to create, to mark, that is a design. A person who designs in specialized design area is the designer. Is it clear? So fashion designer designs clothes, costume designers design for performing arts. So textile designer who designs textile. So textile designer and fashion designer both are the different. Fashion designer designs the cloth and textile designer weave the cloth, fabrics weaving. Is it clear? Design is made up of known components. Known components are elements of design and principle of design. Element of design work according to principle of design and create a good design. Is it clear? So students, elements of design and principle of designs. So some very basic elements including line, shape, form, texture, color, space, value, we will discuss in third chapter. First, here we are understand about ki what is elements. So designing we will do through these things or elements in the designing chapter. First we have to know about terminology, what is a design. So different principle of designs are balance, कि how we will balance the garment, unity, variety, emphasize means कि how elements emphasize in a cloth. For example, color, how dominate the color in the dresses, movements, pattern, repetition, proportions, that is the principle of design. So in next chapter we will learn ki how elements of design work according to principle of design and create a good design. So this is the best tool for the designers. Is it clear? So students, here I am picking one element of design for understanding of design. Is it clear? So element of design work according to principle of design or create a good design. Is it clear? So here I am picking line as a element of design, and principle of design I have taken repetition. Repetition means repeat the line and pattern is created. Is it clear? So you are observing one figure is vertical lines are shown. कि how lines impact on our body, how visually impact when we enter any room, कि vertical line how impact on our body. Is it clear? So different types of the line or impacts on our body create contour shapes we will discuss in when we will do the designing of our clothes. Is it clear? For example, which type of the lines we will pick in our dresses, ki we will look, if we are fatty to how we will look thin, and if we are thin to which type of the lines we have to pick. Is it clear? So we will discuss in designing process. So student, here you are observing different. So student, here you are observing different types of lines: horizontal lines, vertical lines, diagonal lines, broken lines, zigzag, wavy, curved, spiral. So different types of lines. So you have to draw in your sketch copy. So after that we will use these lines and impact or visual impact we will discuss in the designing chapter. Is it clear? And make the different dresses on the sketch copy when we will learn about the different types of lines. So here we are showing for your sketch copy work. Is it clear? So students, in this slide you are observing different types of dresses or line powers. So vertical lines, curves line, and how it impact on the body, visual impact, longer look, slim look, fatty look. So we will discuss later. If you are able, the types of, in front of types of line you can draw these lines dresses also. So we will discuss later. Okay, thank you.